Hi, this is the songbird cooking. And as you see here, there's no oil in the pan, literally. Maybe a teaspoon to wipe the whole surface. The oil is in the pancake mix. You can use butter, whatever it is, or cooking oil, whatever you like. Okay, just a little bit, you put it, mix it in. Therefore, you don't have to keep adding oil to the pan. As you can see, when you see the bubbles go all the way around the edges, and that's when it's time to flip it. Otherwise, it breaks apart. And, come out nice and golden brown. And as I said, don't ever mash your pancake. Because, see, if you mash it, what will happen is, see that? Nice and golden brown. You wait till you see all the bubbles. And again, you put just the right amount of oil. And it depends on how much flour or pancake mix you're using. And I'll say for each cup of pancake mix or flour, half a stick of butter for each. Never mash your pancakes. This is the songbird cooking. Now, as you can see, there's some scrambled eggs here. What I did was, this time I added some hot milk, about a half a cup to 6 eggs. Beat them, 6 large eggs. Beat them really hard. The pan was very, very hot. Right now it's off, but I can still feel the heat coming from it. So what you do, you let them cook for a few minutes. They'll be, I say about, you count to 30. They'll be bubbling really fast. My favorite program is on. I'm distracted. You can see, and then you fold them, with a spatula. You want to use a wide spatula when you fold them, Don't mess with them too much if you want them soft this way. Okay, so you just push it to the side once, push it to the side twice. I'll explain tomorrow. Right now I'm explaining. I'm really distracted by my favorite program right now. And look, so you fold it a couple of times while it's bubbling, count to 30, and then wait 30 seconds again, and then push it again with the spatula this way, that way, stop. Okay, just let it rise like a cake. Bang. Then, as soon as it looks like this, you turn the heat off. You fold in your little egg, your little cheese. As you can see, salt and pepper, soft, very soft egg. Very soft. You see? Very soft. Salt and peppery. Good. Little bit of onion sauteed in there. You see? Cheese melted at the last minute. When you turn it off, then you can put your cheese. You see that? Nice, soft egg. So right now I want to play with my food. So I'm about to eat. Peace, love, and light. Always turn off when they're half done.